Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your AirPod Pros. So if you're having some noise difficulties, staticky or clicky, they say crackly, one thing you can do is try to clean them first. So how do you clean them? First, you can remove this part. So this little rubber part, you could take this part off. So basically like that. And then you'll see that sorry, the zoom's not so good, but you'll see there's a little mesh inside. So be careful. But one way is just, you can rinse these in the sink, but just be very careful. Let them dry before you reattach it to your AirPod, okay? Another way is to just, there might be some earwax. So you wanna get something, make sure that the toothpick is dull. So like, dull it first, and then you want to get like some Kleenex and then wrap it up. Once you wrap it up, make sure it's nice. I'll show you guys. So then I want to make the video shorter, so I'm just gonna say it, but then you want to just make sure that it's nice, and then the front tip is not too pointy, and then go ahead and then just gently clean it inside, okay? Now, some other parts to clean are, you want to clean inside the groove of the speaker area. Now, I'm just gonna do it with this, but be very careful, and then just scrape it along the edge. You don't want to poke into it, okay? So go ahead and do that. And then there's one last place. It's actually on this side. I'll move that out of the way. Okay, so you'll see, I'm sorry, actually it is the little microphone spot right on here. Okay, so you'll see a little black spot right there. Now go ahead and clean inside there. And you want to be very gentle. This is on the left side. And then you just want to be very gentle with that little microphone area. And go ahead and clean that part. Now, there's also something here, and you could just brush that off. Use like a Kleenex or something and brush it off. And then once again, then put it back in the case and then see if the sound is better. Okay, try that first. This is how you clean an AirPod Pro, okay? Try that, guys.